Let's go, welcome back to Rise Invest. Hype is currently trading at $58. For my premium group members, we entered over here at $21. And for those of you who were subscribed to the channel, I actually released this video right here 12 days ago. In fact, you can take a look at the channel. I said that this coin will 100x. I repeat right here, something massive is coming for Hype. Price prediction, price analysis. This was 12 days ago, and you can see right here, Hype was trading at about $43.50. Currently, Hype is trading at about $58.10, and we have made insane amount of gains. So for those of you who want to be part of the premium group, you can definitely join down below at risoinvest.com. The link is in the description box. It's a one-time purchase for a lifetime access, and you have full access to the 100x watchlist, the bull market strategy guide, as well as the exclusive inner circle. If you want to enter such trades early, definitely do join today. We only have one more space left for this week, so definitely join before the group closes. Okay, let's go through Hype at this point in time. First things first, Hype is currently trading at about $58. What did we predict previously? We predicted that Hype was actually trading in this range over here. I'm just gonna draw it out for you guys very clearly. $43 right here, the range high, $39 here, the range low. We saw, number one, a deviation over here. We saw number two, a deviation over here. Right, these were the two deviations that resulted in liquidity being grabbed at the upside and liquidity being grabbed at the downside. And what we saw after that, once the liquidity was grabbed, was that the market moved in the opposite position. And that was what we actually postulated and envisioned, and that's what occurred. And Hype is currently trading at $58, and we are up a lot of profit. For those of you who have listened to me, easily your 100k could have turned to 200 plus k as we entered the trade over here at about $20. Now, where will Hype actually go in the immediate short term? First things first, I'm very bullish on Hype. However, we are likely going to retrace this movement right here. So you can see that this was the range high over here where Hype put in the all-time high previously at September of 2025. You can see that this is the daily candle right here, and we have about 10 hours and 46 minutes before this candle actually closes. This wick over here is highly suggestive that the sellers are actually stepping in, and Hype is not going to break through from this region right here. So the two levels where Hype will actually retrace to is these two levels of liquidity right here. Somewhere around the $50 region and somewhere around the $48 region. Now, let's draw the Fibonacci levels and take a look at where this actually brings us. You can see that this brings us to the 0.236 level, which is this red line over here. So the next level for which you want to potentially buy Hype is actually this region right here. And just let me draw it out for you guys. This is the exact region where you want to buy Hype. So what is likely going to happen, right, is that you're going to see the EMA start to catch up. And that's what exactly you're seeing at this point in time. If you take note, the red line, orange line, turquoise line, and blue line are starting to move towards the upside. The Hype price will likely retrace into this region, retrace into this box. The EMAs will likely catch up over here and find support. And it is at this point in time where Hype will likely move towards the upside, and I think we're going to see a new all-time high very soon, somewhere around the $70 to possibly the $78 region. And some potential targets for which I'm actually expecting on Hype itself can be seen based on the Fibonacci levels, right? So the next level I am expecting is somewhere around the $83 region, and I think Hype can potentially hit up to the 2.618 region at $123. So if you're watching this video, I think that you're still very, very early on Hype. If you're unsure, you can watch my previous video on my thesis on Hype, but I think that you're still very early. You can definitely enter Hype once we retrace back down into the $50 region, or you can enter Hype at this point in time. But you have to be ready for it to retrace a short bit in the next coming week or so. But ultimately, I do believe that Hype will be trading much higher, and you'll definitely profit by investing in Hype at this point in time. Okay, I hope that this video is able to help you guys understand a bit more about the technical analysis on Hype. Do not miss out on this opportunity. And for those of you who want to be part of the premium group, join down below today at risoinvest.com. The link is in the description box. One-time purchase, lifetime access. If you want to become a millionaire in this bull market, you have to join today. You have full access to the 100x watchlist. You have full access to the lifetime private Discord membership, and you have full access to the market strategy guide. Change your life today. I'll be teaching you guys how exactly you can change your market strategy, what stocks and what coins to actually enter at a low valuation, and I'm giving you the exact blueprint, right, as to how we can print millions and millions of dollars this bull market. I'll teach you guys everything you need to know, and I'll give you guys all the investments that you need to put your money in order to make millions of dollars. That'll be all for today's video, and as always, invest safe.